Welcome back to Barton's RVing. On this episode, we're going to do our very first catch and cook video. Here we are catching blue crabs. If you don't remember that video, I'll put a link to it in the description. I had these crabs on ice for several days, and when we got back to Uvalde, we cleaned them. It has been a very long time since I've cleaned a blue crab, so I wasn't too sure of myself, but once I got started, it seemed very easy. You just pull on the top shell and it comes right off. Now you're looking at the guts. The gray matter on the side are gills, so pick off all the gray matter and guts that you can, then use the water to get the rest off. If you have a sprayer, it makes it easier. Now that they're all clean, we could start the cooking. This is the first time I've cooked crabs in a red sauce, so forgive me if I mess up. I definitely should have used more garlic and onions. Since this is mainly an outdoor RV camping channel, I'm out in the backyard cooking on an outdoor stove. I've been holding off on this video for a while because of the weather. We've had rain or drizzle for almost 3 weeks. I've given up and decided to film in the drizzle. Not the best lighting, but we'll make the best of it. Add the blue crabs and then boil for 20 minutes. Now you'll have to adjust your recipe for the amount of crabs you have. Make sure the liquid in the pot is over the crabs. I've added that tomato basil soup because it's about to expire, so it's not really in the recipe, and you could just add more tomato sauce or marinara sauce. I'd like to thank all our new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Since we only caught 3 crabs, I thought it'd be silly to have a whole cooking show for just 3 crabs. So I bought a bag of HEB Gulf shrimp. At the 18-minute mark, I opened up the pot and dumped in the shrimp, shell and all. And you're only cooking them for 2 minutes. Now here's the big reveal. Blue crab and shrimp in a red sauce. My reasoning for doing a crab boil this way is that I've probably done it 100 times Cajun style, with cayenne, sausage, potatoes, and corn. I'm thinking this is more of an Italian style, and you'll really see in a minute why I call it Italian style. Yep, you're seeing right, that's linguine noodles. I felt wasteful throwing all that red sauce away, so I got the idea to make a seafood linguine out of it. It has all the flavoring from the crabs and shrimp cooking in it, but I still needed for my taste and eye appeal to add some mussels to it. The mussels I bought were already pre-cooked, but I wanted to give it a little bit more flavor by frying them up in some garlic and onion.